last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Graph. The Graph is down 7.8% over the last 1 month. On the yearly time frame, the Graph is down over 22%. In this video we'll be taking a look at the Graph US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. The Graph has been dumping aggressively to gobbling town since the bull market ended for it in February of 2021. We've started 2022 on a very bright note. All coins are showing us very bullish signs. So how high can the graph go in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We're also going to take a look at the graph's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're also going to look at the altcoin season index. What impact will that have on the price of the graph in the next few weeks? We'll also look at the graph's market cap, which comfortably sits around the $1.1 billion level. Can we rally towards the $5 billion region in this bear market, or even set new all-time highs? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market, so all coins dumping to gobbling town is nothing new. That's to be expected. But guys, the reason why market participants like altcoins is that even though they can dump to gobbling town, even though they can be very volatile, losing 30-40% of their value over the course of 1 week or 1 month, those altcoins can also be volatile to the upside, which will give us big gains that we've been waiting for. Now, we saw the graph start the year on a very bright note. The graph gave us more than a 200% pump to the upside. The graph even rallied up above 300%. But that rally was very short-lived. That rally came to an end in February of 2023. And since then, the graph has been consolidating. We have been in a consolidation range for more than 117 days. At some point in time, we're going to see the graph make a decision. Either we're dumping back to gobbling town, or we're going to get one big pump to the upside. Now, deep in the crypto bear market, a lot of people are scared. A lot of people are expecting us to actually dump to gobbling town, but the graph have found support around that $0.11 level. We've seen the graph perambulating around that region since May of 2022. Right now, we're spent around 1 year perambulating around that $0.11 region, and the lowest we have gone to in this bear market was in December of 2022 when the graph got to as low as the $0.053 region. Now, if we start pumping to higher prices in the next few weeks, if we see an alt season in this bear market, key levels to pay attention to for the graph, these are levels where we might easily see us getting rejected again, or easily see us blasting above and going to higher prices. I'll be paying attention to that $0.23 level. We saw the graph rallying that high in 2023, but that was short-lived. We couldn't hold that level, and we need to rally up by around 94% from where we're currently trading if we're heading back to the $0.23 region. Is that the highest we can go? Let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool to tell us other key levels we should pay close attention to, from the top that came in for the graph to the bottom where it has gone into in this bear market. Guys, bear markets are very brutal to altcoins. Bear markets are where we see altcoins losing around 90+% of their value. The graph in its own first full crypto bear market has gone down by more than 98%. And deep in the bear market is where you want to do your accumulation on this channel. We have been saying it for months on end. Accumulate deep in the bear market. Don't go all in too quickly. And when that bull run comes around, you'll be happy you made those important decisions in the bear market. Now, if the graph starts pumping to higher prices, another key level you should pay close attention to. This might be levels where we might get rejected and might need us to go back for more consolidation. First, that $0.677 level, the graph will need to rally by more than 550% if we are to get that high. The last time we saw the graph trading higher than that was way back in December of 2021. November of 2021, Bitcoin was trading around $69,000. And since then, the graph has lost around 95% of its value. Let's take a look at some key details about the graph right now deep in the bear market. Currently ranked 42 on CoinMarketCap, over 434,000 people have the graph on their watch list. The graph has a market capitalization of $1.1 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $1.3 billion, and a total supply of 10.6 billion tokens, with 9 billion of those tokens in circulation. Where can you get some of the graph tokens if you want to get some for yourself deep in the crypto bear market? You can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some of the graph tokens right there. Remember guys, as you're accumulating this bear market, you don't want to go all in too quickly. This bear market can be very long and boring. You just saw the graph going through an accumulation, a distribution phase for more than 112 days. So we can easily be going sideways, or can easily see one big fat dump to gobbling town. But you accumulate them in anticipation of that big pump that we might get to the upside. If you take a look at the graph's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's showing us some actually bullish signs. Yes, it has been very bearish, dumping aggressively to gobbling town, but we started the year on a very bright note. We saw the RSI for the graph going to the highest we have ever seen it trade, which is a very positive sign. We might see the graph over the next few weeks outperform Bitcoin yet again. But all coins have not been performing well over the last 2 months. Bitcoin has been holding on strong. We have seen the graph lose around 59% of its value against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, we have also seen the graph have big hits. We started the year on a very bright note, pumping also to higher prices against Ethereum, but we have lost more than 53 to 54% of that value back to Ethereum. And I'll be shocked to see if all coins start pumping to higher prices as the market start heading towards grid. Right now, the market is neutral. Altcoin season index is showing us we might easily just see that Altseason, guys, the elusive Altseason a lot of people have been talking about, might be coming very soon. The last time we saw a wonderful Altseason in the market was way back in September and August of 2022. We've not seen any Altseason in 2023, so when will that Altseason happen? We saw an Altseason in 2021, all coins were going crazy. We also saw a mini Altseason in 2022, so when will the Altseason of 2023 happen? Right now, we're currently in Bitcoin season, which history has shown us over time has been a good time to accumulate altcoins, getting ready for the next alt season. If you take a look at the graph's market cap, sitting above $1.1 billion, the lowest we have seen the graph market cap go in this bear market was when it got to as low as $364 million. That was way back in September of 2022. The graph has climbed up and market cap has gone up by around 500%, even getting to as high as $2 billion in 2023. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement tool from the highest point that the graph's market cap has gone to, which was in November of 2020, to the lowest point where we have gotten to, in the coming days and the coming weeks, if the graph starts pumping to higher prices, that $2 billion level will still be an interesting level to watch out for. But also, after we rally to the $2 billion level, another level where the graph might just get to and start facing difficulties might be around the $4 billion region. But for us to get to the $4 billion region, the graph will need to rally up by more than 200% to the upside. Do you think we can pump that high? Do you see Altseason happening anytime soon? And how high do you see the graph going if we see that Altseason happening? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.